Today we're going to be making a catching game in Scratch. So let's get started by opening your web browser and typing in Scratch. Good. Now let's go to create. In this project we're going to be making a bowl catch apples. So we have to get rid of this cat by tapping this delete button. Now we have to go to the sprite library and choose bowl. Now we go to events and get when space key pressed block and not the when green flag click block. We change this space to right arrow. Then go to control and get the repeat until block and drag it here. Then we go to operators and get this not block and put it here. Then we go to sensing and get the key space pressed block and place it inside the not block. Change the space to right arrow. Then we go to motion and get the move 10 steps block. Now we drag the ball to the bottom of the screen. Let's see what happens when I press the right arrow on my keyboard. Whee! Now we right click and click duplicate. So we have a duplicate of that. Now we go to events and get a when space key pressed block again, and then change the space to left arrow. Then we also change here the key right arrow pressed to key left arrow pressed. Then we change the move 10 steps to move minus 10 steps. Good. Now let's try it out. Woo! Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. To find out part 2, subscribe to my channel. Bye!